We live in a world full of the most magnificent of animals. There are approximately 8.7 million different species on Earth. With this vast array of natural wonders, how do we choose a favorite amongst all these spectacular creatures? There is the ethereal grace of the ocean's whales, the mighty imposing hippo, the unequaled speed of the cheetah, the mesmerizing lure of the snake, the power of the elephant, the strength of the ant, the stealth of the scorpion, the extraordinary talents of the octopus, the force of the crocodile, the sheer elegance of the wedge-tailed eagle, or the regal commanding presence of the lion.